I hope everyone is keeping fine, and hopefully warm too. I have never been to Canary Wharf, so I thought it's a high time I paid a visit. Oh my word! I was blown away. The place is so beautiful, people are friendly, and it is extremely clean. I also discovered that Canary Wharf is a home to almost all the large investments banks such as HSBC, Barclays Bank, Citibank, Santander, Wise Alpha Technologies, Credit Suisse, KPMG, and Morgan Stanley. Morgan Stanley is huge. They have two separate offices. One of their offices is located at Jubilee Place, and the other is located at The place is so beautiful, people are friendly, and it is extremely clean. I also discovered that Canary Wharf is a home to almost all the large investments banks such as HSBC, Barclays Bank, Citibank, Santander, Wise Alpha Technologies, Credit Suisse, KPMG, and Morgan Stanley. Morgan Stanley is huge. They have two separate offices. One of their offices is located at Jubilee Place, and the other is located at Cabot's Place. Morgan Stanley does take lots of interns. They are certainly big recruiters of university students. I then turned my attention of the beautiful apartments. Oh my, they look so grand. I was told that they cost from £300 to £500 to rent each month. Well, you need to be earning at least £100,000 plus a year to be able to afford rent, recreation, food, and making sure that your family is relatively comfortable. Another thing that I discovered in Canary Wharf is the gym. The gym membership comes with a high price tag on it. However, for people who are earning £100,000, the price tag may look like pocket change. The cost of the gym is £250 per calendar month for the privilege. All you need is fully covered. You got a swimming pool, saunas, and you can have your personal trainer. I used to pay £45 for the gym, and every time I felt like I had been robbed with my eyes wide open. Let's move on to restaurants. Canary Wharf has a great array of restaurants. The menus look great too, at least on paper. I have not tried any yet. EY are relatively expensive though. If you intend going for a sit-down meal in Canary Wharf, it might be best to take your Amex card or your Chase credit card. Unless of course you are happy to carry lots of cash on you. Amazon Fresh is in Canary Wharf too. This is how it works. First, you cannot just walk in as you would do in a regular shop. As you walk in, there is a mini gate. And next to that mini gate, they do have a debit card reader. You tap in your debit card, and the gate will open. You step in to do your shopping. Whatever you pick while you are shopping gets registered in your debit card. In short, the goods will be charged to your card automatically. They have no cashiers. Basically, the working days of cashiers are very much numbered. Technology is taking over, and it is very sad. I think in 30 years' time the majority of people will be unemployed as robots take over our jobs. I have also discovered that Canary Wharf is privately owned. It is owned by Canary Wharf Management Group. Mr. Shobi Khan is the chief executive of Canary Wharf Group. He joined the company in October 2019. You may ask, what is Canary Wharf known for? Well, alongside the City of London, it constitutes one of the main financial centres in the United Kingdom and the world, containing many high-rise buildings including the tallest in the UK, One Canada Square, which opened in August 26, 1991. Canary Wharf is surprisingly peaceful as the district is free from major roads and the DLR is very quiet. Canary Wharf is also one of London's greener areas. There are some fantastic parks, particularly to the south, and Jubilee Park is effectively a roof garden built above an underground station. Canary Wharf is a city within a city. From what I have seen, I think Canary Wharf has a lot to offer its residents. Basically from convenience to wealth of shops on the doorstep, exhibitions, and public art to over 16 acres of green spaces and accessibility to the best London has to offer, there's something for everyone. Canary Wharf was once the hub of British Empire, with 100 ships a month passing through it during its peak in the 19th century. Next time you visit Canary Wharf, I reckon the best starting point is the arcade and the malls under the very centers of the modern empire. This is all folks. I wish you all a happy and relaxed Sunday. All blessings for next week. Take care. Catch you soon.